And they're very painful.
Wow.
And the only thing that has actually worked is this straw. So I'm gonna drink it now.
Please let it work.
No hiccups.
Wow.
That's crazy. This will become part of everybody's medicine cabinet, guaranteed.
This doctor just cracked a code. I've been having hiccups for the longest time, and I can never have a consistent way of solving that problem, and he just solved the problem. This straw essentially uses a pressure system to get rid of the hiccups, and it has a 92% effective rate. For this week only, they are on sale, so I linked the link to the sale on the bottom left of the screen. Grab them as soon as possible because they are going to run out of stock.